First of all, what's up with these terrible topics this year? And that terrible parking out there. And why is the venue never all the way in Waitara? It's either Hawera or Whanganui. We never get the spotlight. But this is why I'll be telling you the reasons why I want to move out of home when I get older. But the thing is, I already am older, and I am moving out in a couple months. I guess there's pros and cons to moving out. A pro would be leaving school, but the con would be me going to another school. But the pro at that school would be living all by myself, doing my own things, can do whatever I want. But then the con would be that I'm in an underage dorm and I have a curfew and can't do anything and can't go with any other the big kids that are already at uni. Have to go home and they text my mum and say that I'm back in my dorm. Might as well just stay here. But, I want to move out, but I don't want to move out because then I have to pay for my own stuff. And then I have to pay for everything, pay my own rent, water. Do you know you have to pay for water everywhere but in Waitara? We don't pay for our water, it comes from the awa. But also, I live in a small town. Waitara is like 4.4 square meters. And so it's like 4.4 know everybody. Oh, hi, Auntie Tamsin, see you tomorrow. Oh, hi, Auntie Tamsin, seen you yesterday. And then I'll see you when we get home too. Because like I said, 4.4 square meters. We have one supermarket and like 5 fish and chip shops. And then we have 2 petrol stations right next to each other. So, that one's 2 cents dearer, go over here. But that's why I want to move out, because then I can go to all the petrol stations and find which one's the cheapest. That one might be 7 cents cheaper. With my no car, because I'm moving out. So what car am I taking away? But when I grow up and I get older, of course I want to move out. And when you grow up and get older, of course you're going to want to move out. But you're not going to want to pay for your own water and your own rent and your own anything. And if you do, you still have to pay for your clothes and that. You can't, Mum, can I have $20 to get that, like, this big of a t-shirt from Glassons? So when I get older, I want to move out. But really, I'm moving out next month.